Hi, I'm Rea Winter from Arrojo Studio in New York City, here for About.com. This is my model Kelly, and today we'll be exploring the basics of styling and setting curly hair. Curly hair is typically drier than most other types of hair, so you want to make sure when you're shampooing you are using a moisturizing shampoo. Also, girls with curly hair should not shampoo every day, and the technique that you're going to be using when you shampoo needs to make sure that you're getting the hair and the scalp really clean, because you don't want to, when you're not shampooing every day, the hair will get a little bit of a buildup. Also following up with moisturizing conditioner, always working through the length and the ends of her hair. This is where the driest bits are, especially if you color your hair. You don't necessarily want to condition straight from the roots, but just lengthen ends and then work it up through the top of her hair. Now, when you're applying your products, you want to apply onto also towel dried hair. Now, you don't want to start with anything dripping wet. I'm first applying a volumizer to her hair so she can have a bit of hold and a bit of body when her hair is dry. Doing a few pumps, nice sized dollop. And I'm working in through the roots down to the length and ends. You want to focus on the roots, especially if the hair is fine, like Kelly's hair. And then eventually bringing it down to the length and ends. Okay, second step, I'm taking a curl cream, not too much, about the size of a nickel, I would say. And then this product, you want to work starting from the length and ends up, so opposite of the volumizer. And the curl cream will help in keeping the hair moisturized. It'll keep the hair from getting frizzy. And it also adds nice definition, separation, and shine into the curl. Because a lot of times curly hair is a bit more dull, it doesn't have quite as much shine to it as people with straighter hair. Now, as far as setting goes, I'm going to push the curl into her hair just a little bit with my hands, really kind of gently pushing the curl into it. And I'm going to go through and take a few small sections and just twist a little bit of her hair up. And this will help form the curl really nicely and set it while the hair is still wet before we dry it. So the next step that I'm going to be doing is taking, blow drying her fringe area. You want to make sure if you're going to be ever blow drying something straight in the front that you do that before you do anything else. That's the first thing that needs to be dried. When you start diffusing, you want to come from above on the hair. You don't really want to blow from underneath, because what will happen is it creates frizz. And when you're starting diffusing, you don't want to touch the hair too much. And then as the hair starts to dry a bit more, you can start kind of moving the hair around, using your fingers to kind of push some body into the hair. I'm just going to finish her hair with a little bit of shine spray. I'm going to spray some into my hands. This is a better approach to adding shine spray to the hair than just spraying it directly on. Put it in your hands, rub it through, and just the hair. See how it feels, you know. She looks great. Thanks for watching, and to learn more, visit us on the web at About.com.